Assalamu alaikum, dear cadets. I am Sheikh Wajid Ali and I welcome you all in today's class. As you all know that due to corona pandemic, the whole country has locked down itself. And so it is. That's why I'm here to take your class through online. And you must be attentive to use the benefit of it. Okay, so let's start our class. Before going to our class, we again remind you, all of you, that the world is seeing the very critical situation, and that's why you must aware of this and cautious about COVID-19, and also follow the prevention steps to prevent yourself from COVID-19. And boys, can you guess from this picture what we are going to learn today? Boys, it's the real life picture and we develop this into mathematical form. So our today's topic is chapter 3.5, application of algebraic expressions. Learning outcome. After the lesson, you will be able to understand method of solving real life problem and also solve real life problems. So first, method of solving problems. At first, the problem will have to be observed carefully and to read attentively and then to identify which are unknown and which are to be determined. So first we have to observe the problem carefully and then find out, identify the which are the unknown and which are to be determined. One of the unknown quantities is to be denoted with any variable, say x. Then realizing the problem well and express the other unknown quantities in terms of the same variable x. So first we choose the unknown quantities, one unknown quantities, and then simplifying all of it. And the problem will have to be split into small parts and express them by algebraic expression. Using the given condition, the small parts together are to be expressed by an equation. The value of the unknown quantity x is to be found by solving the equation. So now we here learned some formula directly because here we solve some arithmetic problem through algebraic formula. So we have to first know about these formulas. Okay, now related to payable or attainable. Suppose Q equal to amount of money payable and attainable per person. Q is the amount of money we have to give some person and N is number of person. Then the total amount of payable or attainable money equal to Q N. And next, related to time and distance. Here, suppose V equal to speed per hour and T equal to time. So the distance is Vt. The total distance D equal to Vt. And related to time and work. Suppose Q equal to portion of work performed by everyone in unit time. Here it should be mentioned that the Q is the portion of work performed by everyone in unit time, like 1 day, 1 week, 1 hour, just like that. Okay, N equal to number of performing of work, number of performing, and X equal to total time of doing together. Then the portion of work of a work done by N person in time X, W equal to QNX. That is the total work done by N person in K hours. Okay, related to pipe or water tank. Oh, that's very critical problem. You understood this formula clearly, then it is okay. So, suppose Q naught. Q naught means the amount stored water in initial time or time of opening at time zero, we say. And Q equal to amount of water flowing in or flowing out, in or out by pipe in a unit time. That should be in unit time. Q equal to time taken. So amount of water in the tank in time t in tank. Okay, tank is Qt equal to Q naught plus minus Qt. Here plus sign at the time of flowing of water in. If water in, then this plus Qt, Q naught plus Qt. If minus sign at the time of flowing of water out of the use, or flowing out, Q naught minus Qt. Related to percentage, suppose B equal to quality total quantity, or R equal to rate of percentage, that is S by 100, that is S percent. Okay, S percent. The part of percentage S percent of B equal to P equal to BR. Related to profit and loss. Suppose AC equal to cost price, R equal to rate of profit or loss, then selling price S equal to C plus minus 1 plus minus R. For profits, S equal to C into 1 plus R, and in case of loss, S equal to C 1 minus R. And now, related to investment and profit. Suppose I equal to profit after time n, and n equal to specific time, p equal to principal, and r equal to profit of unit principal at time A equal to principal with profit after time n. So here, in case of simple profit, I equal to P and R. So here A equal to P plus I equal to P plus P and R equal to P into 1 plus N R. And in case of compound profit, A equal to P into 1 plus R to the power N. So boys, that's the total formula we have. If you understood this, then it is very easy to solve the problem. Now, some problems. Problem 1, that is, Rafiq can do a work in 10 days and Shafiq can do that work in 15 days. In how many days? Again, I repeat, Rafiq can do a work in 10 days and Shafiq can do that work in 15 days. In how many days do they together finish the work? Okay, now solution. Let they can finish the work in D days. Then the day's name, Rafiq, Shafiq, days to complete 10, 15, and part done in 1 day, that is 1 by 10, and Shafiq, that is 1 by 15. And part done in D days, that is D by 10 equal and D by 15. So as first question, that is D by 10 plus D by 15 equal to 10. Oh, sorry, 1. That is the total work. So after simplifying, the D equal to D into 3 plus 2 divided by 10, 30 equal to 1. That is 5D by 30 equal to 1. That is D equal to 6. Therefore, they together can finish the work in 6 days. Now, again, another problem. That is, a boatman can row X kilometer in time T1 hour against the current. To cover that distance along the current, he takes T2 hour. How much is the speed of the boat and the current? So here first let the speed of the boat in still water be u kilometer per hour and that of the current speed is v kilometer per hour. So then along the current, the effective speed of boat is u plus v kilometer per hour, and against the current is u minus v kilometer per hour. So we know that speed equal to distance traversed by time. So according to the question, u plus v equal to x by t2 and u minus v equal to x by t1. So adding two equation, we get 2u equal to x by 2 t2 plus x by t1. That is x equal x into 1 by t1 plus 1 by t2, or u equal to x by 2 into 1 by t1 plus 1 by t2. And similarly, subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we get 2v equal to x by t2 minus x by t1, that is equal to x into 1 by t2 minus 1 by t1, or v equal to x by 2 1 by t2 minus 1 by t1. And hence speed of the current is x by 2 1 by t2 minus 1 by t1 kilometer per hour. So, and speed of the boat is x by 2 into 1 by t1 plus 1 by t2 kilometer per hour. So next problem. Our another problem is price of a book is taka 24. This price is 80% of the actual price. The government subsidies the due price. How much money does the government subsidize for each book? So price of the book, the market price of the 80% of actual price. So we know P equal to BR. So here P equal to 24 taka and R equal to 80%, that is 80 by 100. So 24, that is P, 24 equal to B into 80 by 100 R. Okay, that is B equal to 24 into 100 by 80, that is 30 taka. Okay, hence the actual price of the book is 30 taka and amount of subsidized money is taka 30 minus 24, or taka 6. So hence subsidized money for each book is taka 6. Okay, now another problem, find the compound principal and compound profit of taka 50,000, 15,000 in 3 years at the profit of 6% per annum. Now we know that C into, that is the compound profit formula, C equal to P into 1 plus R to the power n. So here C is the profit principal in case of compound profit. Given P equal to, here P equal to 15,000 taka, R equal to 6%, that is 6 by 100, and N equal to 3 years. So we get that C, and therefore C equal to 15,000 into 1 plus 6 by 100 to the power 3, that is actually 15,000 into 53 by 50 to the power cube, and that is the final result is 17,865.24. That is the compound profit. So you get that compound principal is at this 17,865.24, and compound profit, the compound profit is 17,865.24 minus 15,000, that is 2,865.24 taka. Okay, now next problem. A pipe can fill up an empty tank in 12 minutes. Another pipe flows out 14 liters of water per minute. If two pipes are opened together, then the empty tank is filled up in 96 minutes. How much water does the tank contain? So boys, Now again repeat, the a pipe can fill up empty tank in 12 minutes and another pipe flows out 40 liter of water per minute. So here it's per minute we get, and here we don't get per minute. Okay. If two pipes are open together, the empty tank is filled up in 96 minutes. So let X liter of the water flows per minute by first pipe. If it is first pipe flows in, then the tank can contain Y liter of water. Then, according to the question, the tank is filled up by first pipe in 12 minutes. That is Y equal to 12x. Okay. Again, the empty tank is filled up by the two pipes together in 96 minutes. That is Y equal to 96x minus 96 into 40. Okay. Y equal to 96x because it's 96 minutes and flows in 96. That is, we know that Q equal to Q naught plus minus Qt. Here it is. Okay. So, and minus 96 into 14, that is flows out 96 minutes. So that is why Y is filled up. Okay. Now, from the equation we get, from first equation we get X equal to Y by 12, and putting the value of X in equation 2, we get Y equal to 96 into Y by 12 minus 96 into 14, and that's, after simplifying, you get Y equal to 8, Y minus 96 into 14. So 7Y equal to 96 into 14, and that's Y equal to 192. So hence the total 192 liter of water is contained in the tank. So that's all for today, boys. Now we're going to, I give you some homework. Now first, a boatman goes 15 kilometers and returns from there 4 hours flying by oar. And he goes 5 kilometers at the period of time along the current and goes 3 kilometers at the same period of time against the current. Find the speed of the oar and current. Next, if a pen is sold at Taka 11, there is a profit of 10%. What was the cost price of the pen? Number 3, if the difference of simple profit and compound profit of some principal in 2 years is Taka 1, at the rate of profit 4%, what is the principal? And number 4, divide Taka 260 among A, B, and C in such a way that 2 times of share A, 3 times of the share of B, and 4 times the share of C are equal to one another. So that's all for today, boys. Again, before ending, I would say something about coronavirus. Okay, you must remain cautious because you don't know who is affected by this dangerous virus or who is not. So you don't go outside if you are dire in need. So you just remain in your house and maintain the prevention steps. Okay, and use hand use must use mask and sanitize your hand, and after consecutive of time. So the first most important thing is you have to remain cautious. So stay cautious, stay home, stay safe, stay fine. Allah.